Good morning and welcome to our last edition of Tips for Tuesday Foldable Edition. Today we're creating our last flap of the foldable and we're calling it Putting It All Together. Today we're going to take the sheet that your teacher has put on the overhead or Elmo, and we're going to write down the bold-faced vocabulary words. These are common words seen on the EOGs. We have describe, identify, explain, infer, develop, evaluate, compare and contrast, justify, outline, summarize, predict, conclude, interpret, evidence, and finally, analyze. With a partner, you're actually going to put your tips to work. With your partner, take some time and answer the questions or the statements using your tips and your knowledge for each of these test-taking vocabulary words. Describe the clothing of the person sitting next to you, and so on. That will be your activity for Tips for Tuesday today. Starting next week, we will begin giving you activities, problems, etc. to use for your Tips for Tuesday folder. It will take your Tips for Tuesday foldable to answer these problems. Sounds good. See you next week.